May katrabaho ka bang challenging? Hello, Unstoppables! May katrabaho ka bang challenging? May kamag-anak na masarap? Kurutin, habaan ng pisi, need mo ng tolerance. Aminin natin, may mga taong pinanganak para testingin ang fruits of the spirit natin. Yung pasensya ko parang battery ng lumang cellphone. Mabilis malobat. Kailangan laging naka-charge. Pero ang tolerance at love, diyan nasusukat ang Christianity natin. Madaling mahalin ang mabait, pero ang mahalin ang masungit. That is godly. Be the bigger person. Not because they deserve it, but because you are full of God's love. Huwag kang sasabog, lawakan ang pangunawa. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 2 instructs us, be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Bear with, tiisin with love. Kaya mo yan, Unstoppables. Extend your patience. Build up your tolerance. Again, this is Miss Judy Ann reminding you to stay faithful, stay hopeful, and stay unstoppable. To God be the glory. Bye!